Welcome again to Project with Ryan. One of my magic Christmas presents was the Ryobi. Now the big thing about the Ryobi is it's a drill. It's got maximum torque settings, it's got a good chuck and so on. And a drill is a drill is a drill, you might say. But the advantage of the Ryobi is that it has been designed for the battery to drive not only the drill but all sorts of things. It's been advertised widely. So when I got it, it threw me a little bit because I've invested, as we know from my previous films, in Bosch and so on. This works well. There's the battery, clicks in, and that's going to fit a number of devices. There it goes. Brilliant tool. Here's the charger, ready to take any number of batteries. It's good. You know, it's got 2 speeds. It's got forward reserve like you would. This battery is a 1.3 amp hour that comes with this particular tool. Of course, they do bigger batteries as well. So I'm looking forward to using this more than I expected to. And it opens up a whole new range of tools that Ryobi operate on the One Plus system that they talk about here on their box. 18 volt lithium ion, great. So look forward to telling you a little bit more after I had good use of this particular tool. Thank you again for watching Project with Ryan, and don't forget, please subscribe.